Hi, I'm Liz Lin. I'm such a delayed person. Can you imagine? It's already second half of the year and actually a month almost passed in the second half of the year and I haven't taken off my summer clothes. Oh my god. And actually it's already 31 degrees outside today. And the body feels like 45 degrees. And can you imagine? I haven't taken out my summer clothes. So I have to take out and organize my summer clothes today. No more excuses. Just do it. Actually, I share the walk-in closet with my husband, and today this part they are mine, and I'm just gonna to take out the winter clothes on my bed, then take out my summer clothes from the cases and hang up on the hangers. That's all I need to do today. I occupied the 2/3 of the closet. I'm going to take out all the winter clothes on the bed first. Okay, let me take the hangers off. When I watched the mariekondo series, the TV series, I just realized, I was amazed to realize that we North American people, we have too much. So many people, they own too much stuff, particularly like, actually my clothes is not that much, really. And but other people, actually, they have more stuff. They have tons of, particularly the clothes. Why do we need so much clothes? And actually, I have to admit, I'm also addicted to buying clothes, and you just keep on. We Chinese, we have a saying, the ladies, they are always lack of one dress, you know, in their wardrobe. And before I watched the mariekondo TV series, I just didn't realize that. And after that, when you're watching other people's, and you just realized we have too much stuff. And also myself, other people, and particularly like the clothes, and when you see their clothes, they always say, oh, I love this one, I love that one. And for you, and you, as you can see, oh, I love this one, I love that one, and I don't want to get rid of that. But actually, for other people, in other people's eyes, these are all nothing. You know, for them, oh, it's not that much beautiful as what you think, you know. And so I think actually we just keep the basic, the best, and the most we like mariekondo say. And we should get rid of the rest of them. And so you don't need to, you know, bother to, like me, to always, you always have to organize those clothes, you know, semi-annually, and that really takes a lot of time and energy, and yeah, and you can use such time and energy to do something, you know, more exciting, more meaningful things. Yeah, that's what I think. Okay, I don't mean we should care about other people's judgment, and I mean it's like when we taking the plane, when we fly to the top of the sky, top of the earth, when you look down, and you will see the people on the earth. They're all like ants. The vehicles, the people, we may even not be able to see the people, and you know, everything was so small. Then so those, you know, normal thing, like clothing, such thing, they're really not that important, you know, as we think, you know. And it's just like, you know, we shouldn't be stuck into the box that we built by ourselves, and we should jump out of the box and look, you know, from the outside of the box, and you will then, these are really, you know, not that important. Just get rid of them and make your life easy. Oh, it's already broken. I really love fashion, although I'm not that fashionable, but you know, every time when I went to the mall, you know, I'm just addicted to, kind of addicted to those fashion shops. I think I was born like that. I really can't help for that. Okay. Let me take those hangers, you know, hang it up. Then I can hang up the summer clothes. Sort the colors. Then I need to take out clothes from the boxes, and they are just summer clothes, and hang out and put it at the right place. Then I can put those winter clothes into the boxes.